Hey guys, this is me, Dasher, and my mom gave me this pocket knife. I don't know why, but thanks, mom. By the way, this is from Korea, I think. Let me check on the paper, and yes, bunch of Korea stuff, or maybe Japan. I don't know. Usually Japan. By the way, I have really good wood feeling over here, and yeah, let me open this. I'm sorry for the camera though, if it that you can't see it that much. GoPro's camera probably. So, ew, what the heck is that? Did you guys see that? Did you see that? Oh, I cannot see it, but it's pretty nasty stuff. I think that's a good thing, just to make sure it doesn't feel it. It doesn't. I don't know. What am I gonna say for it? I think it doesn't like really smooth opening. Like, oh, that was so smooth. I think it needs to be hard to open it. I'm gonna open each of every of them, and yeah, it's not a really big thing, but pretty much that. Okay, let me start with the easiest ones to open, which is this, and also the knife. We already tested. Oh my god, we already tested the knife. I don't know what this thing. Maybe a saw. Pretty much like a chisel, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna play around with this soon. And this thing, let me see. It's a scissor. Okay, let me try to open it. Sorry for the bad position. I'm not really good with cameras. Whoa, look at that. See that? Yeah, probably cool. I'm gonna close it back. Well, I don't know why I'm acting like that. What's wrong with the scissors? I think the scissors has something wrong. Okay, I think. Whoa, no, probably something wrong with the scissors. Try to fit it right in there. No. Then the scissors something wrong. Look at that. There's really something wrong over there. Gonna close it. Okay, it's just gonna be like that forever. Okay, now this one. Oh crap, that one's really hard to open. Whoa. Oh my god, look at my nail. Let me use this one. This one is easy. I think this is a bottle opener. Maybe? I don't know. If this is a bottle opener, thank you for telling me. Okay, then I'm probably gonna open this one. Oh god, even a screwdriver is really hard to open. There. My hand is pretty hurt. Now I know why, like that. Okay, it's in the middle, so it's pretty good handling. This one is probably for the wood. 3 of them are knives. Probably knives, I don't know. And I think that's all. Thanks, mom, for getting me this thing. Pretty good. There's a keychain stuff over here, so I can put it on my bag or something. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video. Probably the video is short. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna edit it and stuff.